So guys, we're here at Apple Watch in Glendale. Apple Watch store in Glendale, in Galleria. Wow. So we're buying a Apple Watch for my birthday. So we're charging here now. So cute. And this is my band. It's cherry color band. This is 40 mm. So we're waiting to charge my Apple Watch right now, but it's not ready yet. So when it's ready, we're gonna pair it to my phone.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome back again. Welcome to my vlog. I'm so busy today guys. Naluluka na ako. I'm getting dizzy because I haven't eat lunch yet. So I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Tara, samahan niyo ko guys mag-lunch. Late lunch na tayo. So anyway guys, I've been decorating my apartment. I just started decorating my apartment. Excited na ako to decorate my little Christmas tree. So kanina, a while ago, I was doing my workout for 43 minutes and then take a shower and then clean the house, mop the house. Actually, apartment. We don't have a house. Apartment lang, okay? So, mop the house, mop the floor, I mean. Naluka na ako, guys. I'm so dizzy, so I have to eat something muna. So, here I started decorate my small Christmas tree. There you go. Ta-da! My Christmas tree. We have this for 6 years, guys. We keep using the same Christmas tree every year. So excited na ako. I know here in the States, after Thanksgiving, you can decorate your Christmas tree. You can start decorating. But now I'm excited. So ngayon, nag-umpisa na ako, guys. Ayan na. Hindi pa ako tapos. Ayun pa yung mga ibang Christmas decoration ko, Christmas light ornaments, yes. Yung Christmas light ko is broken, so I have to get a new one, guys. Grabe guys, nagutom na ako, so kakain muna ako. So here is my lunch. I'm also watching Kuya Val matubang video. Ayun guys, oh. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Ayan, noodles, ayan, Korean noodles, and I'm watching Kuya Val. Pinapanood namin siya palagi. We're always watching Kuya Val's vlog and Kalinga Rob, their father and son, diba? They're helping a lot of people, and that is good. Thumbs up. So, post ko muna siya, guys. So, yung nga, guys, that's my Christmas tree. Yeah. Yan. So, hindi pa ako tapos, guys. Hindi naglaba din ako. I'm washing clothes, linen sheets, bed sheets, and rugs. So, I'm done vacuuming the apartments. Ayan, malinis na, guys. Oh, floors. So, tapusin ko lang yung decoration ko ng aking Christmas light tree. Maliit lang siya, guys. 5 feet lang yata to. 5'4". Maliit lang siya, guys. Kasing tangkad ko lang. So, anyway, guys. So, tatapusin ko lang, guys, yung lunch ko ngayon. And siya nga pala, guys, meron akong share sa inyo. Yesterday, we went to at the mall in Glendale. So my husband bought me a surprise gift. Actually, not surprise anymore because I already wear it for my birthday gift. At my birthday is next month, so advance gift for me. Yes. So ito yung Apple Watch na regalo niya sa akin, guys. Ayan. First time ko magkaroon ng Apple Watch. Actually, because I've been using a Fitbit to do my workout. Because I work out, we do hiking, and then I track my calories, how many steps I do every day, you know, and then counting calories, how many calories I burn in a day. So the Apple Watch, it's really nice. So I like the color, cherry color of the band. Yeah, ganda siya, guys. And also you can receive tawag calls from this Apple Watch, and you can also send text messages using Apple Watch. Diba? Hatik na siya. Also, working out. Everything is here, guys. Very nice. So, here is the box. Yes, ayan. Ito yung box nyo, guys. So, this is for 40mm yung size ng Apple Watch ko. Yes. And then, may extra, extra band. This is the larger band inside. Same color. So, they give me extra just in case I want to loosen the rest while I'm wearing it. Not too tight. So, I have the extra longer band. And then, the other one I'm wearing right now is just a short band right there. And then my chargers looks different, guys. Look at the chargers. Flat siya. Oh, my finger covering the camera. And flat siya, guys, for the charger for the Apple Watch, 'di ba? Maganda siya, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo makagaganapan today, and I'm so hungry. I feel dizzy, so I need to eat something. And the sheets still drying right now, so mamaya kukunin ko siya, mamaya patupiin ko, and then yes, so I'm very busy today. My husband's working by himself, so I stayed home and clean the house, clean the apartment, decorate my Christmas tree. Yes, so guys, so yun na mga kaganapan ngayon, guys, dito sa apartment. So I'm gonna eat my lunch now. Here, my lunch, because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, guys. And mamaya magluluto ako ng chicken tinola for dinner. Kasi gusto ng asawa ko yung chicken tinola. Ayan. Drumstick. Ayan. Chicken. Like eating chicken, but turning into chicken. Yes. Chicken is good, di ba? So, mamaya, guys, magluluto ako ng chicken tinola. Yun ang meron akong sayuti dito. May mga sayuti ako dun sa loob ng ref. Ayan. Sayuti. So, yun na lang gagamitin ko, guys, mamaya. Ginger. Sayuti with ginger. Oh, masarap. Kasi taglamig ngayon, guys. Malamig ng panahon. It's getting colder. So, it's good to eat hot food. Soup. Chicken soup or sinigang. Yeah. Super, super yummy, guys. Alright, guys. So, yun lang ang mga kaganapan dito, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo at i-vlog dito ang aking Christmas tree na hindi pa natapos, guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Siguro bili ako ng more decoration tsaka more Christmas lights. Kasi nga, sira na yung Christmas light ko. Ay, kailangan ko nang itapon nyo, guys. So, yun, guys. Tapos na. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I like my Apple Watch. My Christmas gift. Yes. Thank you, guys, for watching. And yun lang. Oh, wala na akong mai-vlog. So, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. No, na. Thank you, guys. I see you next time. Bye.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Nandito pa ako. Pahabol, guys. Okay? Kanina nagbababay na ako. I say goodbye already, but I'm back, guys. So, I just finished decorating my Christmas tree. Finally done. It's 4:15 p.m. na dito, California time. So, ito na yung Christmas tree ko. Tapos na siya, guys. Tcharam! Natapos na din ang aking Christmas tree, guys. Ayan. Grabe, guys. Ang tagal ko natapos ito. Yung labahan ko tapos na rin. Super pagod na ako, guys. Naantok na ako. Tapos ngayon magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Yucks. So, busy day today for me. So, ito na yung finished product ng aking Christmas tree. Simple lang siya, guys. Simple. Simple Christmas tree. Maliit lang siya. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh. Kasing tangkad ko lang yung Christmas tree. Mga 5'4" yata to. 5'2". Yes, ganyan lang siya kaliit. So, tapos na. There you go. Nice. Alright, guys. So, magpababay na talaga ako, guys. Magluluto na ako ng dinner ko. Magluluto na ako ng tinula now. Kasi alas 4 na. So, pauwi na yung asawa ko sa work. So, thank you guys so much for watching again. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!